Welcome to Josna's recipes, and this is how I make it. Today I'm going to share with you a very interesting Maharashtrian recipe, and it is called Aamti. It is made with tur dal. It is easy to make, and let's do it. So this is 1 cup tur dal, which is pressure cooked, and I'm going to give you the link in the description box how to pressure cook tur dal. So kindly follow that, and our tur dal is ready. And look at the consistency; it's not very thin, not very thick. You can adjust it anyway by adding hot water to it. So what we are going to do is we are going to add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 heap teaspoon of red chili powder, that is Kashmiri red chili powder. Then we are also going to add goda masala or curry powder, which is also available in the market. This is homemade. And then we are going to add this ingredient, which quite a few might not know. This is kokum. This is wet kokum, and it is called aamchur, and it is also available in the market. You can use tamarind pulp 1 tablespoon instead of this, and it gives you the same taste, but this gives a different flavor to Aamti. So I'm going to use this kokum, nearly 8 pieces of kokum. You have to wash them a bit, otherwise it gives a little purplish color. So I always wash it a little and then add it to our Aamti. Now we are going to give it a boil. We are going to boil this for maybe a minute or so, because it's already hot. Whenever you make tadka, when tadka is hot, the other thing to which, like dal or sabji, it should be hot too. So the tadka is then very flavorful. So now let's see, our oil is hot here. So I'm going to add half a tablespoon of rye to this, and then half a teaspoon of jeera, then nearly 7 to 8 fresh curry patta leaves, and we are going to add freshly chopped 1 tomato, and switch off the gas. We don't have to saute this. We just mix it. That's it. Some people also add garlic pearls initially, like when the oil is hot, they add nearly 5 to 6 chopped garlic pearls. That also gives a very good flavoring. So we are going to add this to dal. Look at that, our Aamti is boiling. So whatever ingredients we have added in, they are going to impart flavor to this Aamti. And now is the time to add freshly chopped coriander. Coriander gives very good taste to Aamti. Never miss on it. And our Aamti is ready. I'm going to just put it in a bowl. It can be eaten as soup. I would call it dal soup, and it tastes awesome. And look at that, our Aamti is ready.